Finding cube roots looks very difficult, right? But today I will show you a super easy method that works in seconds, and that too without any calculator. By the end of this video, you will not only know the trick but also the reason behind it. So stay tuned. To find the cube root quickly, we have to follow three simple steps. Step 1 is last digit rule. For that, you have to learn the cubes of numbers from 1 to 9. So just remember this chart. 2 cube is equal to 8. That means cube ends in 8. 3 cube is 27. That means cube ends in 7. 4 cube is 64. That means cube ends in 4. 5 cube is 125. That means cube ends in 5. 6 cube is 216. That means cube ends in 6. 7 cube is 343. That means cube ends in 3. 8 cube is 512. That means cube ends in 2. 9 cube is 729. That means cube ends in 9. And you know 1 cube is 1, 0 cube is 0. So just remember this chart. That is why by just looking at the last digit of the cube, we can tell the last digit of the cube root also. Step 2 is finding the first digit. For this, just ignore the last 3 digits of the number and look at the remaining digits. Find the nearest cube smaller than or equal to that part. That will give you the first digit of the cube root. Step 3 is combine. Combine both the digits we got in first and second step. That's way you get the cube root of that number. Still confused? Let's understand it with the help of examples. First example is cube root of 13,824.
Here the last digit is 4. That means the digit at unit place in cube root is 4. Now to find digit at tens place, ignore the last 3 digits. Remaining digits are 1, 3 means 13. Nearest cube of 13 is 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. Because 27 is more than 13, so we will take 2 cube. That means the digit at tens place is 2. Now combine both the digits. So cube root of 13,824 is 24.
Next example is cube root of
19,683. Here last digit is 3. That means digit at unit place in cube root is 7. Now to find the digit at tens place, ignore the last 3 digits. Remaining digits are 1, 9 means 19. So nearest cube is 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, which 27 is more than 19. So we will take 2 cube. That means the digit at tens place is 2. Now combine both the digits. So cube root of 19,683 is 27.
Let's take another example. Cube root of
1,85,193. Here last digit is 3 again. That means the digit at unit place in cube root is 7. Now to find digit at tens place, ignore the last 3 digits and the remaining digits are 185 means 185. Nearest cube, 5 cube is 125 and 6 cube is 216, which is more than 185. So we will take 5 cube. That means the digit at tens place is 5. Now combine both the digits. So cube root of 1,85,193 is 57.
Now it's your turn. Find the cube root of these numbers. 2,197, 2,744, 4,930. So always remember, last digit tells us the unit place of the number. Nearest cube of the remaining digits tell us the first digit or the digit at the tens place. Combine both the digits and that's your cube root. And don't forget, this method only works for the perfect cubes. Now you know the secret trick for cube roots, and that too with the logic behind it. Don't forget to take the screenshot of the chart I shared with you earlier for the last digit patterns and examples. Now, if you found this video helpful, then like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Easy Learning with Poonam Jain. Bye bye.